Installing and activating a HOLASIM eSIM on your Xiaomi is really simple. Remember to install your eSIM a few hours before your trip and only activate it once you arrive at your destination. Once you have made your purchase on our website, we will send you an email with everything you need to know to complete this process. Now let's get started. Grab your phone. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection, such as Wi-Fi or mobile data. Go to Settings and then Mobile Networks. Once there, look for eSIM settings to find the installation options for your eSIM. Under Manage eSIM, select Add eSIM to start the installation process for your new mobile plan. Here you have two options: install with a QR code or install manually. To install with a QR code, you must have access to the code we sent you by email, either on another device or saved in your gallery. Position the QR code in the box shown on screen. Wait a few seconds for your new mobile plan to be identified. If you don't have the QR code on another device or saved in your gallery, you can carry out the installation manually. On the same screen, tap Add Manually instead below the box. Copy and paste the manual installation code for Android that we emailed you. Tap OK and wait a few seconds. Once the plan has been identified, tap Add to add it to your device. If you'd like to change the name of your eSIM, tap on your new plan and select the option that says Change Nickname. We recommend naming it something like HOLA SIM plus your destination. Congrats! You've successfully installed your eSIM. Already arrived at your destination? Then it's time to activate your eSIM. Go back to Settings, then Mobile Networks, and finally go to Manage eSIM. Select the HOLASIM eSIM. Press Enable. If your plan includes calls, press Calls and select HOLASIM as your default line for making and receiving calls. We then recommend deactivating your primary SIM. This will prevent additional roaming charges on your bill. Go back to Settings, enter Mobile Networks, and activate the Data Roaming option to enable your eSIM. And that's it. Your HOLASIM eSIM is now active. Connected again. Let's go. If you need help, our customer support team is available 24/7 via chat. We're here to keep you connected wherever you go. Hola World, HOLASIM.